Remember when I said I will make the character move? Next time, I'll try to make the character move. In the next 5 minutes, you will know how to build a third-person controller using BabylonJS. This is the end result. The camera moves relative to where the player is, just like RPG.
Wow!
Now, let's open the code editor and start implement. We start by building the base. Import scene, camera and engine. We choose arc rotate camera to orbit around the player. Then add light, ground and box. Then render. Import the loaders to load the model, take the meshes and animation groups, then stop all animation. And this is what you need to see. Back to editor, delete the box and add a new key set. Add an observable. On key down, add the code to the set. And on key up, delete the code from the set. Create a new map and add all the animation groups. Key the name and value the animation group. Now find the idle animation and play it. Get the rootness, add observer, get the forward and right direction from the camera, set Y to 0 and normalize. Create the flag is moving and the move vector. Depends on the input, add or subtract the direction to the move vector and set is moving to true. Now, if moving, add the vector to the rootness. Camera position Y to 0, rootness look in the camera and the camera target should be the rootness. Now map animation to key and then play it. Also, if not moving, play the idle animation. And that's the result. I have a list down in the description, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.